Hi there. It's time for us to talk about how can we bring education to the next level. So, in order to prepare kids and families to a new wave of consciousness and a new way of living, we have this program that we call the Art of Mindful Gardening. That is basically another perspective to the project-based learning that your family can experience with My Little Garden. If you look to executives today in famous cities full of technology like San Francisco, New York, all over Europe, a lot of executives are joining courses about creativity, leadership, about how to communicate. And our school, the old archaic school systems does not deliver these skills. They are focused on the academic, mathematics, English, biology. And we want here teach also biology, chemistry with the plant and the soil, but teach something more than that. For this reason, we have here a program for parents, adults, and educators that use the gardening as a practice to be mindful. In other words, we're going to have a guide for you, an ebook and other videos that will allow you to find learning opportunities about creativity, responsibility, adaptability, patience, the art of knowing the right amount, and to empower this new generation to make the world a better place. We can give examples for all these things using nature, because nature takes time to grow. You cannot put this seed today in the soil and harvest the durian tomorrow. So this video here is an introduction to this, and the ultimate goal is for us to work together, because if you are present with your kid, if you're there talking about emotions, talking about boundaries, developing the emotional intelligence, your kid will have a better integration between the IQ and the EQ, and then all these things together will give this grounded inner foundation. So when we look to a seed like this, I will open here. We understand that there's basically three systems in a seed. So we have the seed coat that protects from the environment. For a kid perspective, the seed coat would be like the parents. We are protecting our kids, right? And here we have the endosperm and the embryo. That is the plant itself. But there's an intelligence here that when the seed is in a good environment, under the soil, in the darkness, the seed coat allows water to come in. And this makes the embryo starts to eating the endosperm, and then it starts to sprout. And only after the seed is sprouting, it can create roots and leaves and work getting nutrients from the soil and working with the photosynthesis. So real transformation comes from within. And this is what this mindful practice is about guiding our kids to have a revolution of growth from within. So I hope you will like and enjoy our program, and thanks for watching.